JY anticipated that there would be a new dance that would break away from the existing Tibetan dance. Human culture has always changed. In 2026, new dancers emerged to shake the existing Tibetan dance square. They made the dance square in Chengdu crazy. It seems that eagles chasing prey are moving their wings with all their might. They seem to have horses running from afar rushing to catch water. The new Tibetan dancers in 2026 are very loud. Tibetan dance is getting more and more widespread. New dancers are flocking to the Tibetan dance square in China. New dancers are also dancing in Jinwei Square and Zhuozhuo Square. They are also highly skilled in their dance. JY introduces new dancers who came to Chengdu, China, Paris, New York, and Toronto. They are Tibetan dancers of the future. Chengdu is the birthplace of the Tibetan eagle dance, and many dancers came out. C1, Zhongyuer, Zhenjin, Danzin, Zhuozhuo, Yida, Danremu, Kangzhuolma, Guoseanwang, Sunam Dalma, Linqiu, Yangdon, Lamula, Jibao, Daji, Duga, Siring Lamo Jilin, the twin sisters of ABA, Jinchuan Lamo. They are good dancers. However, they do not seem to understand the Tibetan eagle dance. Toronto's Norzin, Dissel, New York's Pema, Yeshi Dalma, and Paris Bumo Gaga, and Chumcham are also future Tibetan dancers. All of them become world dancers who dance eagle when they fix their flaws. They basically just have to spread their arms and they gaze follow their fingertips. However, they are still young to dance the eagle dance of the idea of no possession. Swiss, Belgium, LA, Netherlands. The Sydney, Nepal, and London dance squares show star dancers. The channel manager of each dance square must to introduce the star dancers' names loudly.
We help you dance the Tibetan eagle dance in Korea.
Paris Dance Square has no stars, if there are many dancers. There are no artists in the city of art. There are male dancers who perform traditional dances. Paris needs the development of modern dance. In India, the dance square and the dance of the dancers themselves are complicated. There are no eagle dance star dancers in Ladakh and Dharamsala, Delhi, Mungad, and Bilakub squares. However, they dance happily and well. Ladakh did the eagle dance. But these days, Ladakh does a strange dance. They don't do the eagle dance. JY doesn't know what the dance is either. There is a dancer who dances all over the Indian dance square. The dancer does a strange dance. Every Indian dance square has the same dance as the dancer. It seems that France was also influenced by the dancer. Only the New York square properly maintains the eagle dance. Even in Toronto, there are not many dancers performing it. Only China and New York truly dance the eagle dance. New York looks poised to become the future center of overseas Tibetan eagle dance. However, the New York dance square is narrow. Dancers in New York will develop their dance by forming teams and dancing. Guoseanwang is a fresh dancer. She does the Lhasa dance. Her dance has a sloppy ending. Her calm atmosphere makes for elegant dancers. Anngwang will be helpful if she learns the dance skills of Gaching and Lakuo. She has a great sense of modeling. She will be welcomed, even if she appears at a Chinese modeling company. However, the JY model is only for the top dancers selected by JY. Danremu. Her dance is not good enough, but her calm dance erases her flaws. Danremu will be of great help if she learns Aki's dance. Linqiu has improved her dancing. She seems to have learned Jinchili's dance. She will become a good dancer if she practices more. She seems to be dancing as a hobby. She has an image with beauty and intelligence. She is a dancer who will suit if she learns the eagle dance. She is the future dancer that JY watches. Silangchuoma performs a professional dance. Her dance is very fast for the sparrow dance. Her dance is as flexible as the traditional Chinese court dance. Even if it's not the eagle dance, her dance entertains the Tibetan dance square. She will be helpful if she learns Rilari's dance. She needs a calm dance. Zhenjin. She is twin sister with Jibao. Her dance is immature. She will be helpful if she learns Yongji's dance. It is cute to dance with Jibao. Jibao. She promotes Tibetan dance around the world as a Tibetan dancer mascot in 2026. She does the eagle dance. She is inexperienced in dancing. She is pretty and cute. Tibetan dance fans all over the world like her, too. Because of Jibao, twin sister Zhenjin is also known. Let go, Jibao. Zhuozhuo is the most unusual dancer. She is a professional dancer. Her gaze processing is high quality. Her arms are full of eagle wings. Her waist is bent to match the movements of the wings, and her spin is made from the force that is applied to her arms. She performs the kum dance, which is invaluable as a female dancer. However, Zhuo's dance has no soul. She is like a robot that moves according to the program. Her dance has poor artistic value. Linqiu has been an unknown dancer for a long time. Her dance has improved. She does a very stable, eagle dance. Her future is bright. Deji has the body to dance. Her dance has no features. She needs a courageous dance that hits the wind, not a dance that is pushed by the wind. She needs practice. Wang is good at eagle dance. Her body moves exactly along with the dance. She also has good gaze processing. She needs a deep dance. Yangdon, her dance is calm. Her dance is awkward. Her flaw is gaze processing. She is the most diligent dancer in the Zhuozhuo team. She only needs to learn the dance of Linqiu. Jilin. She dances as rugged as a wooden lantern. She needs to soften her body. Her dance is not complete. She needs practice. She also does a precious Kim dance. Yida performs stage-style dances. She is a good dancer, but has no depth. She must consider the dance to her heart. She may become the dancer of the future eagle dance. Zhangguo, her dance is not special. Her dance has no personality. Her dance is powerful, but not skillful. She is helpful if she learns Yongqiu's dance. mode Gaga. Paris is the city where the world's modern art was made. Before the center of art shifted to New York, Paris was the dream of artists. Isadora Duncan eventually traveled around the world and settled in Paris. There are many Tibetan dancers in Paris, but almost all are teenagers. Gaga is also a teenager. Her arms are eagle wings. The dance is less than perfect. JY hopes young dancers will dance in Paris, too. Pema's dance changed. Her dance was calm, but now she does an aggressive dance. She would be a good dancer if she stretched her arms out more and danced softly. She is a good dancer. She is the only dancer in Paris who does the eagle dance. She will be helpful if she learns the dance of Linqiu.
It promotes Tibetan eagle dance in Korea.
The ABA twins. The dance of ABA twins is normal. Their dance has no characteristics. If they want to do the eagle dance, they have to stretch their arms more. She is a good dancer. She did the butterfly dance. Now she can see the form of the eagle dance. It was beautiful that she digs the cordyceps on the plateau. That is the biggest reason why JY introduces her. She is contrived to make her dance beautiful. She should dance Nyo from the heart. Try. Zeba. She did not dance for a long time. Zeba is very naive, even when she is old. She is older in a more stylish way. She dances in the square of Zhuozhuo. JY hopes she will take the lead in making Zhuozhuo square orderly. General outline. Tibetan dance also changes as the times change. Of course, Tibetan traditional dance must not change. Tibetan modern dance is a new dance. Tibetan dance squares around the world have also changed their characteristics. Each of the dancers in Chengdu Jinwai Square is going to perform an artistic dance. They perform the eagle dance of no possession thought. Zhuozhuo Square is similar. Toronto has a group dance for pleasure. The dance at Toronto Square is Gorshi. They have a butterfly dance. Choyang has an artistic eagle dance. New York Square is a world stage, and dancers perform art dances. Of course, the artistic level is low. However, the dancers' skills and consciousness are very high. Their level of individual dance has risen rapidly. This is because it is based on the dance of Chinese Jin-wide dancers. Paris Square is not the basis of dance. They are likely to dance art if they learn the dance of Chinese dancers. Teenagers are leading Paris Dance Square. Dance Square in India is like a place for Tibetan exchanges. They value exchange over the artistic value of Tibetan dance. India Square is very friendly. Tibetan dance squares in other countries around the world also dance for exchange. Like the characteristics of each square, the new dancers introduced this time have colors. JY hopes that talented dancers will fly to the world with an evil dance.